Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Ole Kirk Christiansen, and that's totally not my name. As you can tell, today's video is a little bit of a different one because, well, yeah, I do stuff, and one of them is also building with Lego. And I guess I'm just like putting it here, seeing how it goes. And yeah, I hope you enjoy what I do there. Yeah, enjoy, really, do. Thank you all for watching. If you have feedback for my stuff I build, I really would be happy and I'd welcome that because I'm really just building for myself. It's my first time um yeah rubbing it in other people's faces. So hell, if you gotta say something about that, absolutely do. There's a comment section, you know that, and there will be more Lego content on this channel because I got a shit ton of stuff laying around and I really, really, really gotta do something with it before I take it apart. That's why I'm putting it here. Anyway, thank you all for watching, for being here, watching this stuff, and I'll see you around.